Well, hello everybody, it's me, Sassy Stacey, and I'm here today with some fan mail. Yay! I enjoy getting fan mail, so thank you so much to those who send it. This time I've gotten a parcel from Mr. Can Man fan. He's one of my YouTube subscribers, and I'm not sure who sent me this one yet. Stephen, I think, from Kansas, perhaps. And I waited to be with you guys to open this, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so once again, it surprised me with some hosiery. This time the brand is Geo Classic fully fashioned nylon stockings. These were about 35 pounds a pair, which is, like, they're really nice. They're totally worth it. Super silky and soft and sheer. He sent me stockings without the elastics up top, so they stay up nicely and work well with my garter as well. And my favorite part is that they are seamed. So classy, and I believe this is a, I don't want to say Havana heel, I want to say Memphis heel. Pretty sure it's a Memphis heel. So these are very nice. They're super soft. They feel great on. I honestly feel like they are silk. Like, they're very nice. So thank you once again. And I'll be sending you something shortly. He also wrote me a really nice handwritten letter, as he did last time. And he's just really sweet. And so everybody say hi. Thank you. Next up is this beast here. Let's have a look. Using my trusty knife. And, oh, it says on the label what it is, but I'm not spoiling the surprise. Let's go. It is well taped, let me tell you guys. Boom. Thank you once again, trusty knife. Okay, so it's all wrapped and stuff. This is a big parcel to send from Kansas. I'm not even sure, is that Midwest in the States? I like looking at strange newspapers, but I'll do that on my own time. So much newspaper. Woo-hoo. All right. Shoe Carnival. Giant bag. What else? Ooh. I am a spoiled girl. Look at this. 2 boxes. Oh my. Very exciting. Very exciting. Alright, Steven from Kansas. Let's have a look-see. Thank you again. Alright. Opening my first package. Those are dishes. Did I get dishes? Oh, they're pie plates. Very unexpected indeed. Perhaps he wants me to make some pies. I am actually speechless. This is hilarious, but awesome at the same time. Thank you. Okay, maybe this holds an explanation. If this is all of the ingredients for pies. I like the points for creativity. appears to be some clothing. All right. Ooh, that's a pretty blue dress with flowers in my size, large. That's pretty. That's something I could wear to work too. It's very tasteful and classy. I will try these on after. Ooh, another dress. This one looks pretty. It's a lovely colored blue. Matches my husband's motorcycle, especially with the gold zipper. Ooh, yeah, these will be really nice. This is gonna fit very tight and very pencil-like. You're gonna like it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Double check I didn't miss something with those pies. Clumsy Stacey. Alright, the Shoe Depot on tour. Alright, let's see what we got here. These are a D, whatever brand that is, mydeliciousshoes.com. Size 8 Sky Bus, black. Oh, look at that, a strappy heel with an ankle strap. Cute. Very nice. That looks like it'll be easy to walk in, a very manageable heel. I like it, thank you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try these on. But first I must take off my Aldo Hollows. Whoop, whoop. These are a really nice shoe. I like the little shiny amongst the flat there. Very understated embellishment indeed. Little strappies are fun, and they make things like this easier to walk in, so that's great. These dainty little buckles. Awesome. Put that ankle strap on just a little tight there. It's cutting off circulation to my phone. We're gonna have to amputate. Call away ambulance. Alright, so these do fit a little big, they're a little loose. That's the weird thing about my size is like I'm a 7.5 or an 8. It depends on the shoe. And rarely I'm a 7. It's so strange. But I think I can put like a little pad or something in the back of the heel and will enable my foot to push a little more forward. Alright, let's take these puppies for a little walk, shall we? Very nice. I enjoy these. I can't wait for summertime. Wear them out with my lovely dress. Oh, there's a note that I'm not noticing. That'll look great together. A little note. Save this for the end, yes, and see what that other pair of shoes. It's very taped on. This guy's thorough. First, let's look at these because I'm very curious. Oh, a nice navy pair with an open toe and a nice strap as well. I'll try those on in a minute. kind of tape is that? I need it in my life. This is like the stickiest tape ever. Alright. Now I ripped it. Sorry. Ooh, it's a letter! And it's typed out. Greetings from small town USA. I wanted to tell you, great job with your channel and social media. I am currently one of your YouTube subscribers and a fan of your work. For most people, 2020 has been a year of strange times and we all want to forget it. Will it not end soon enough? During these unusual times, I stumbled across your channel and I instantly got hooked. Oh. Thank you for being you and not taking life too seriously. You seem to have a good outlook on life, a quick wit, and a great sense of humor. I am hilarious. Thank you. Compliments to you for keeping it entertaining and fun, beautiful, and most of all, sassy. Yeah, damn right. All right, keep doing what you're doing as your efforts are appreciated. You might be one of the best heel danglers I can recall lately. I'm ahead of my time. I've been born to dangle, or so I've been told. All right. Your flirty personality and dangling skills, along with your banter and teasing, is very sexy and provocative to watch. I seem to recall one of your videos you had mentioned you were open to ideas, challenges, and suggestions that you might consider for future videos, and I have some ideas to share, and here is what I got. This should be very interesting, and I have a feeling it's something to do with these pies. At some point, pedal pumping or washing a vehicle in heels. Okay, that's definitely on my list. Lingerie, marabou slippers dangling, Daisy Duke shorts, and high heel dangling, and then throw some wedge or mule heels in there. Driving a vehicle in heels, or maybe swim or shower in heels and a dress. Okay. To show my appreciation as a gift to you, I've sent you 2 new dresses and 2 new pairs of heels along with empty pie tins. I'm nervous here, hoping to get the sizes right on these items. My challenge here is, would you consider making a video using these items? My first idea was a tribute to Nickelodeon, where you get pied, slimed, and water while dangling in your heels. I have a feeling my husband would love to throw pies at me. He's nodding yes, okay. I mean, I would like to throw pies at him too, but nobody's sending him pie shells, you know? Alright. And then I realized you could do a video sitting legs crossed where you demonstrate how to take a pie in the face. You could include the video with the catchphrase, "This is Sassy Stacey saying, stay classy yet sassy," and then deck yourself in the face with a pie and then laugh or sigh. Maybe drop your dangling shoe and slowly clear your eyes and say, well, I guess you're waiting for another shoe to drop. You are right up my alley, Stephen. Jeez, I'm laughing too hard. I did not expect this. Next idea, you could shower and dress in heels or get slimed while dangling, saying, I don't know how I get myself into these situations. And after getting slimed, drop your shoe and eventually get watered. These videos would have perfect hair and makeup if you did decide to consider doing this. I'm not sure if you would prefer shaving cream, whipped cream, buttercream, or Cool Whip for the pies. I'm definitely going with Cool Whip. Please let me know your thoughts, and it's okay if the dresses and shoes get messed up if you make the video. If you have any calendars left, you could send me one with your autograph on it. Thank you very much. That's awesome. No offense to anybody else, all the guests were great, but this one tops the charts so far. That was good. The laughter was the best part, honestly. Alright, so let's get to trying on the other pair of shoes. Oh, need a little wine after that. Now, let's get back to these heels, shall we? Still laughing. I'll be laughing about that all night. Oh, these ones fit way better. Way better. See, it varies from shoe to shoe. These are a different brand. These are C&M, and also from the Shoe Depot, which I think I've seen online and wondered. So this is like great in two ways. I get free pairs of shoes as gifts from awesome people, and I get to see what online purchases. But you know what? I don't think they're gonna go around my big fat ankle. Oh my god, that's never happened before. Oh, like it is no, my ankle is too fat. That's crazy. I'll put it on anyway, but I do it this way. No, there's like no room for that. Wow. That's crazy. I can't even just pull the strap off and get a bigger strap. It's not that kind of shoe. I'll figure something out. I'll jimmy it up. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Well, I truly appreciate all of these, and I will get to trying these on, but I've got a premiere on YouTube coming up, so I'm gonna hit pause.